Hey everyone! Welcome back! Today we're continuing our series on lesser-known tips for general health care that will promote healthier and faster-growing hair. Yeah, not what you'd expect, but they do work. Definitely. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Badminton is a great way to stay active and get some exercise. It's also a lot of fun, and can be played competitively or just for fun. Badminton is an excellent way to get your heart rate up and get some cardio exercise. It's a fast-paced sport that requires quick movements, so it's sure to get your blood pumping. Playing badminton is a great way to meet new people and socialize. Whether you're playing in a tournament or just at the park with friends, badminton is a great way to interact and have some fun. Give badminton a try if you want to improve your health. Sure, olive oil has some health benefits. But when you cook with it at high temperatures, those benefits start to disappear. In fact, cooking with olive oil at high temperatures can actually make some unhealthy compounds that can boost your risk of disease, which damage your cells and cause inflammation in your body. While you may not think of asparagus as being particularly good for your health, it indeed has countless benefits. For one, asparagus is a great source of antioxidants. These nutrients help to protect your cells from harm and can enhance your overall health. Asparagus is also a good source of fiber, which is vital for keeping your digestive system healthy. Additionally, the folate in asparagus can help to avoid birth defects and is essential for pregnant ladies to consume. Eating asparagus can be a delicious and healthy addition to any meal, with its array of vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for the body. There are various benefits to massaging your knee, including good health. Massaging your knee can help improve circulation, increase range of motion, and minimize inflammation. Touch is a crucial part of human health, and massaging your knee can be an exceptional way to show yourself some deep affection.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun, so let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.